By the end of this video, you'll have different ideas, concepts on how you can create vocal change using UAD plugins. I'm going to use the UAD Auto-Tune, and I'm going to use like UAD Spark plugins, because Spark, a lot of people can get that, and those don't require no Apollo twins or anything like that. But the Auto-Tune can be swapped out, but I just want to use all UAD things. And this video is not sponsored by Universal Audio. They don't rock with me. But I'm not going to talk your head off. Just follow along. Make the preset yourself. So let's get it. I know what you like, baby. I know what you like, baby. I know what you like, baby. Let's find the key. Let's make sure it's right. No, we're not doing all that. Not doing all that. Yeah, baby, you know what he did for real. Baby, you know what he did for real. Yeah, you know. Yeah, you know. Yeah, you know. Alright, so we good. So we ain't gotta do all that extra. Alright, so now let's find the other plugins we wanna use. So what do we wanna use? Alright. So let's see, UADX. So let's do the Manley VoxBox. So let's turn down my input real quick. Alright. So let's see, look at my folder. Alright. Yeah, I know what you like, baby. Yeah, I know what you like. Yeah, I know what you like, man. So that sounds good already. So that's a chain right there. So now we can do Pultec. So like we can do the Pultec after that. So we do a little more EQ, but like it could be whatever we want, right? So like I could just find something that just sounds kind of like what I'm going for. Yeah, baby, you know what it is, for real. Baby, you know what it is. Baby, you know what it is. Yeah. Baby, you know what it is, for real. Baby, it's been way too long since you hit my line. Since you hit my line. Baby, it's been too long. Since you hit my line. Yeah, since you hit my line. Yeah, since you hit my line. It's been too long. Yeah, since you hit my line. Since you hit my line. I swear, baby, it's been too long. Since you hit my line. Since you hit my line. Since you hit my line. Baby, it's been too long. Since you hit my line. Since you hit my line. Baby, it's been too long. Since you hit my line. Since you hit my line. Since you hit my line. Baby, it's been too long. Since you hit my line. Yeah, hit my line. Baby, been too long. Since you hit my line. Since you hit my line, baby, been too long. Since you hit my line. Since you hit my line. Baby, been too long. Since you hit my line. Since you hit my line. Since you hit my line, baby, been too long. Okay, that's crazy. UAD plugins only? Alright, that's cool. Let's record so you can see what's happening. So like, we ain't even playing. Like, you can record. It's simple. Like, it sounds good. So let's print it. Let's print post effects. So let's see. So just so we see. Baby, it been too long. Since you hit my line. Since you hit my line. Since you hit my line. What's been going on? shit. You know you belong to me, love. And you know this shit. You know this shit. You know this shit. Alright, so like really now, play it. Is it baby, it been too long since you hit my line. Since you hit my line. Since you hit my line. What's been going on? Girl, why you wasting your time? Stop wasting your time. You belong to me, Lord. And you know this shit. And you know this shit. And you know you belong to me, Lord. And you know this shit. You know this shit. You know this shit. So like, what is on here? Baby, it been too long since you hit my line. Since you hit my line. Since you hit my line. What's been going on? Girl, why you wasting your time? Stop wasting your time. You belong to me, Lord. And you know this shit. And you know this shit. And you know you belong to me, Lord. And you know this shit. You know this shit. You know this shit. So that ain't bad though. Like, why are we recording that shit? So let's go back. I just said that pattern. It recorded the automation. Like, that'd be the thing. Like, I don't want to record no automation. So we're gonna go back over here. So here we go. Go back to the pre. Let's turn this around. You belong to me, Lord. And you thought this shit. And you thought this shit. No. Listen. Oh, yeah. Baby, it been too long since you hit my line. Since you hit my line. Since you hit my line. What's been going on? Girl, why you wasting your time? Stop wasting your time. You belong to me, Lord. And you know this shit. And you know this shit. And you know you belong to me, Lord. And you know this shit. You know this shit. You know this shit. So let me bring it down. Watch it. Listen. Oh, yeah. Baby, it been too long since you hit my line. Since you hit my line. Since you hit my line. What's been going on? What's been going on? Girl, why you wasting your time? Stop wasting your time. You belong to me, Lord. And you know this shit. And you know this shit. And you know. Listen. Baby, it been too long since you hit my line. Since you hit my line. Since you hit my line. What's been going on? Girl, why you wasting your time? Stop wasting your time. You belong to me, Lord. And you know this shit. And you know this shit. And you know you belong to me, Lord. So like, I'm just doing something extra at this point. Like, we just, like, I don't know. Because I made a recording chain and now I'm just adding extra stuff to it. So it's like, you know, that's some of my favorite stuff. This is fine. Like, dark. Definitely dark. Let's see. Definitely dark. Listen. Baby, it been too long since you hit my line. Since you hit my line. Since you hit my line. Listen. Baby, it been too long since you hit my line. Since you hit this shit. You know you belong to me, love. And you know this shit. You know this shit. You know this shit. Hey, that's funny. I like it. I like it though. Like it's a vibe. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. Baby, it been too long since you hit my line. Since you hit my line. Since you hit my line. What's been going on? Girl, why you wasting your time? Stop wasting your time. You belong to me, love. And you know this shit. And you know this shit. And you know you belong to me, love. And you know this shit. You know this shit. You know this shit. Alright, so yeah. That's crazy. That's simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plugins really. Then I put the Fairchild on the bus. And then I just put that on the libs. But hey, simple. Nothing too crazy. So yeah, we can have a all UAD recording chain and it sound good.